boat.
I can't get my boat down to sea.
Get your boat!
I think I lost the trailer.
Get your boat!
I think I lost the trailer.
Get your boat! Get it!
I don't want to get Scotty Whiplash.
Get your boat! You want to do truck boat? Get your boat! Get your boat! This is a bump. This is a rough video.
Hey Mason, you might just want to hook to the front of me.
You think so?
Yeah, that's what I would do. Make a train.
Otherwise, you might pull out
Truck boat. That's what I'm saying. You got a bumper for it.